Hello, everyone. In this video, I will guide you through the step-by-step installation of Netlab on VMware in a clear and easy-to-understand way. VMware has been installed. Please check the link in the description below. Download the latest version of PNETLab for VMware. I have placed the download link in the description. Click the link to download PNET. Step 2. Review and configure the virtual network editor before creating the virtual machine. Here, I am using VMnet1 in bridge mode to connect directly to the system's LAN. I have configured VMnet 8 in NAT mode with a custom IP range. Please check the video in the description for more details. Preparation is complete. Now, open VMware to import the PNETLab virtual machine. Select the file you downloaded. Once the import is complete, click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings to modify the configuration. The recommended RAM is 4 GB, but for smoother performance, set at least 8 GB or more if possible. For the Processors section, I'll select 4 cores to ensure the machine runs smoothly. Make sure to check this box. Next, we'll configure the network adapter for PNETLab. In this example, PNETLab will use 2 network adapters. Once you're done with the setup, click OK to apply the configuration. Now, let's power on the virtual machine to start setting it up. Next, reset the password for your root account, then press Enter to confirm. Enter your domain name if you have one, or skip this step if you don't. Use the down arrow and spacebar to select static, then press Enter to set a static IP for the PNET server. Enter your IP address. Enter your DNS server. Here, I'll use Google's DNS. Skip this step and press Enter. Select Direct Connection and press Enter. After booting up the virtual machine, if you see this screen, it means PNETLab has started successfully. On the first login, you need to choose an account type, online or offline. I will choose the online account for the best experience. If you don't have an account yet, click Sign Up to register. After signing up, enter your account details and click Login to sign in. That's it. Wish you all success. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.